in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Hey y'all, it's my first video since I became a mom. Hey, y'all know who I am. It's your girl Social Nicole, and we are back with another video, and this is an maybe exciting one. I don't know, but I finally have an appointment with the loctician, and that is where we are on our way to now. I'm scared, y'all. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm going in with an open mind. This loctician it's been a struggle to get an appointment with a loctician in general. Leah's loctician, I was trying to go to her, but she requires like a lot of different things before you can book an appointment, and then she gets booked up so fast. Ooh, I'm so ashy. Mitch got all his backdrops in here, and they just, can we say hazard? But I tried to book with her, but she gets booked up so fast, and then she's about to go. Hold please. Okay, we're back. But she's about to go on a hiatus, break, whatever, for like 2 months. So she won't be back taking appointments until like February or March. So Leah's sister goes to a girl in Wilson. So I booked with her. I did not do a consultation first because I was like, look, YOLO, I need to get an appointment. I can't keep lollygagging and wasting time, because time is what I do not have. So that is where we are on our way to. I didn't have to do anything but pay the deposit. No questions asked. So we're going to see how it goes. Yeah. Mitch has nugget for the day. I had to pack like my pump and stuff, because I don't know how long these appointments take. I'm prepared for a minimum of at least 5 hours. So I know that I'll probably have to pump. I am exclusively pumping. That is how I feed my child. So I pumped before, I pumped at like 7:30. So I should have pumped later, closer to me leaving, but the boots was like on fire, and then I didn't factor in the fact of me having all that time to get ready and stuff. So we're gonna see. I usually can go at least 3-4 hours before I'm in pain. So I have my pump with me. This is ghetto. I know she gonna be like, why she got all this stuff with her? Cause I'm a mother. I'm a mother. I got a pump. So that's why I have on me a button-up shirt. And then too, I can't find nothing to wear. Nothing fits. I don't know. Well, that's a story for another day. Today we talking about me going to this appointment and how it's going to go. So I don't know if I'm going to take y'all in with me, because like I said, I already have a lot going on. Here we go again with the camera. I need to get a tripod for the car. I'm sorry, y'all, but y'all can still see me. I need to, yeah, I got a lot going on, so it'd be too much for me to take the camera in there, then try to pump, then try to, so I think I want to relax and enjoy this time to myself without a baby crying. Yeah, so I just have me a book to read and probably scroll on my phone, listen to some music, and just chill out, enjoy the moment, chat with my new loctician to see what the vibes are there. So yeah, right now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna stop. I need caffeine, so I'm gonna stop at Starbucks and make my way on down the road. I want to stop at McDonald's to see if they have the steak bagel. I'm gonna just hold y'all for now. I want to stop at McDonald's, see if they have a steak bagel. If you know, you know. Because that thing used to be bombdiggity.com back in the day when I used to work at McDonald's. Who else first job was at Mickey D's? But yeah, I want to ask them if they have it, but I'm like, how much time do I got to waste? My appointment not till 10:15. It takes 45 minutes to get there. It is now about to be 9, so I'm actually making good time. if I get there early enough, I might do like a little 15-minute pump session in the car, just to give me a little leeway. But yeah, I talked long enough. Yes, I wanted to get the steak and egg bagel, no cheese on that. Let me get this address in. Shoot, it's only 35 minutes. I wish I would have looked at that before, because I looked at it last night and it said 43 minutes away. I know I'm not gonna come back to me. Love everlasting, I never wanna be without you. Still need you. Why is that? Looking for a purpose. Arrive. Alright, y'all, so I have a dilemma. I am here. I have exactly 15 minutes. I feel like my boobs are getting a little hurting a little bit. So I think I'm gonna do like a quick like 10-minute pump. I know I need to do at least 15, but I'm trying to prolong the need to have to pump fully inside there. I have 2 pumps. I have these are the Mom Cozy, it ain't focusing, but Mom Cozy wearables. But being home with a Nugget by myself, because Mitch he only got a week off from work, so I've been kind of taking care of him by myself since he's been born. And being home with him, trying to pump and take care of him is hard, so I had to get these so I can multitask. So yeah, so I'm going to try to get a little bit of milk off me to prolong me having to pump again, because I might can swing it out and like pump in the car ride home versus having to pump inside there. I'm going to, I still have everything. I have this little cooler with ice packs inside to store milk. I have my milk bags to put the milk in once I finish, and I have some wipes to clean my pump once I'm done. This already too much, but it's better than me having to do my hair myself. So, and I'm lucky that I have these pumps that I can just take with me and pump on the go. So like I said, I'm gonna do like a 10-minute pump and then head inside to start this appointment. This is all, look, this is all I got in that little bit of 10 minutes. My right boob does not participate in anything, so she didn't do much. I probably should have waited, but I'm trying to spread out these pumping sessions. But let me hurry up and get inside. I got 1 minute. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all inside, maybe.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more.
Alright, y'all, I am done. It was a great experience. She's really, really nice. Her name is Mo at Locked and Liberated in Wilson. I will drop a link to her page down below for any of my North Carolina girls looking for a loctician. And yes, it is 2:15. She started on me probably about 10:30. So that's what, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 4 hours, or not even 4 hours. That's like 3.5. What? So yes, think she did a really great job. When I get home, I'll be able to show y'all kind of like a close-up of like what my hair looks like. Of course, I can't really show y'all in the car, and I'll talk to you more about the experience and what I thought about my first time getting my hair done. But I just want to let y'all know, first impressions, I enjoyed it. I will be back. I think she did a really great job, and it was convenient. So, but we'll discuss everything else when I get home. Alright, y'all, so it is day 2, or not day 2, it's the next day after me getting my retie, and I'll just say that I am very pleased with the results of it, and I'm very happy that I did make the decision finally to go to a loctician because it was a great experience. So let's see, where do we leave off? I think I told y'all that I enjoyed the experience. My appointment was at 10:15. When I got there, she was finishing up another client who had traditional locks, and it was probably about maybe not even 10 minutes, and then she was finished, and then it was my turn. She had my name written on the board to say that I was like her clients, like she lists out her clients for the day, so I thought that was real personable, and I liked that. And then when I sat in her chair, she asked me if I braided and bended my hair, being courteous about it, because if I did braid and bend, she was going to braid my hair and bend it for the shampoo, which I don't braid and bend anymore, but I thought that was nice that she did ask that. The shampoo experience was great and relaxing. She did use some oil after she finished washing, she didn't use that many products. I believe she might have just used a shampoo and maybe a conditioner and then the oil, and that was it, which was great. And then the retie process began. She towel dried my hair, and then she used a blow dryer on the first section that she was starting with. So I did appreciate that she wasn't doing my hair on soaking wet hair. In the front, she just let it air dry, because of course by the time she got up to that section, it would have been dry anyway. What else? And then she talked, we chit-chatted the whole time, so it was enjoyable. I brought a book, I packed a book, I didn't even need it. She asked me, she noticed my diaper bag that I had with me, and asked me if I was a mom, and I told her like I had my pump and stuff, and I might need to pump. And then like throughout the appointment, she asked, she was like, are you doing okay? Do you need to stop and pump? But I was good, I didn't have to. What else? Retie process, I didn't record or like ask any questions or anything. I kind of want to just see how things work naturally with her and like what her flow was. From what I can tell, it does seem like she did do 4-point rotation, so that was good. And then she didn't do them too tight. She was fast. Like from the time she started, which was probably like 10:30, I was done at like 2:15. So time flew by. It was a fast appointment, a whole lot quicker than what I could have ever done. I could tell she was like cleaning up the main big row parts, and then I could tell she was wrapping any like loose hair that was out of the lock before she would retie it. I could tell she was doing that. I could tell she was very careful and being neat with my hair, but also very quick, so that was a plus. And then she said that I had taken good care of my hair. Kudos to me. So maybe I do know a little bit of things that I've been sharing with y'all. She said I've been doing good with my hair. Period. And yeah, after she was done, she did put a little bit more oil on my hair, and that was pretty much it. I didn't ask for a style or a part. I kind of just wanted to see what she did. She kind of just did it wasn't necessarily me having a side part. It was kind of like just laid like this. I was laying this way, and then I had stuff going this way. What I do like is like she really picks up the hair. Like when I tell you it is snatched, it just snatched. Like y'all can see how everything is picked up, and it's kind of like pulled back, which I like it. I think it's really neat, and my hair feels really done, versus like when I do it, I feel like when I do it, it is neat, but it's not like snatched like how these are snatched, and you can tell my hair is done. So yeah, I will take down my little hairstyle and just show y'all kind of like what everything looks like as far as my scalp and like grid and all that kind of stuff. yeah, like I said, not too tight. It's just right. The test will be, or I'm interested to see how long it will last. I feel like it's going to last longer than when I do my own hair. Just because, like I said, she got every little piece of hair. Every piece of hair is in the lock. So I'm interested to see, like I said, how long it's going to last. And yeah, I enjoyed the experience. I definitely will be going back. I think I'm going to aim to stay on the 6-week track. Yeah, I think I'm going to aim to stay there and keep that, let that be my new schedule so we can have some consistency, because, you know, I haven't had much consistency with my locks, with me doing it myself because of time constraints and because it takes me so long to do them. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about it. I enjoyed the experience. I love my hair and the outcome. And yeah, she's really, really nice. So if you are in North Carolina, in the Raleigh, Durham area, Eastern North Carolina area, and you're looking for a loctician to do your micro locks, I will link her website or her page down below so you can check her out. She is in Wilson, North Carolina, if you're curious. But yeah, let me take this down so y'all can see what the scalp is looking like. And yeah. Oh, and also I did a little braid out and then just threw this little ponytail up there. Just so I can, I don't know, I just want to show off. But yeah, I will take this down so y'all can see what we're working with.
Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it. So I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? What color